we're going to create our first virtual assistant. In this case, a shoewear assistant. We select filter type in order to recommend products from a catalog. We introduce the name of our assistant that we recently have created. The first option allows us to manage our product catalog. The second option allows us to edit the slides that will make up the assistant. The third option allows us to personalize the aspect of the assistant. The fourth option allows us to configure the assistant. And lastly, in the fifth option, we will be able to see the various methods of publishing the assistant. Now we are going to import the product catalog. We can import the products from a URL feed, from a file, or from Shopify. We're going to import from Shopify. The other two importation methods are similar to the Shopify importation method. In step 1, we define the hour in which the assistant will be updated with new products and prices. In step 2, we will be able to indicate which products we want to import. By default, all products will be imported. In step 3, we will define the attributes of each product. In the case of Shopify, they will come automatically. In step 4, we indicate the fields to import. In this example, the products are categorized in Shopify via tags. So we'll select the field tag. In step 5, we create the questions from these tags. We will simply select the tags that we want to make up each question. And lastly, we will finish without creating a price slide because we don't want to ask for the price. We see the imported products, and if we edit them, we can see the properties and categorization loaded from the Shopify feed. We can see the decision tree in order to quickly ensure the assistant is correct. Let's look at an example path. In the first node, there are 24 shoes from the catalog. After answering flat, we see that there are only 12 left. After answering flat and fashion, there are only 6. And lastly, after answering flat, fashion, and thong, there will only be 3 shoes left that are those recommended. We're going to edit the slides. Firstly, we erase the slide that was automatically created when the assistant was created. We change the slide title and the option titles. We click on the image icon so that the options will be images instead of simple text. We want each image that is shown to be shown automatically without having to define them one by one. To do this, we activate Smart Image in the slide configuration setting. We do the same with the rest of the slides, having the same result. Now we are going to define the cover slide with the title Find Your Perfect Shoes. Lastly, so it appears more elegant, we're going to set background images for the slides. In this case, we upload an image that Now that the assistant has been created, in order to test it, we press play. If everything is correct, we are ready to publish, and anybody can now use the assistant. Once published, just enter into the publication panel in order to see how to put your assistant in your web or share it on the social networks.